Hi everybody, I'm in the shop and I'm preparing hardwood, planed hardwood for a window. So the joining of a window. I am using hardwood and this is spliced together, joined together itself, and thus a bit more environmentally friendly. Here we have the selection of the milled profiles with the table saw, and you can see the internal corner is kept clean, so there's no rubbish and no problems for the actual glass. And here the offcuts are still of a good size, so they can be used for trim or something else. In a commercial job we use primed trim, but for other situations this could work as well. So here we have a profile, not a long profile but a short profile in the horizontal spaces. I will remove the stick out piece here, spanning in Dutch, and I will create a little rain groove or drip groove. So at this spot, when rain comes down here, this will catch and will go downstairs or down, and it won't travel this way into the house in a way. So these are the joints, and here you can see my relief cut, and on the other side as well. And this is ready for assembly and glue. So we got the window frame in the back side here, and this took a bit of struggle, but it's now 90 degrees, and the middle frame is also in place here. And this is ready for measuring the window size, so that's cool. Just now I drilled the holes on the underside of the window frame. This is where on the other side the glass will be put in. At the glass there's always a chance and a risk of some water dripping inside or some condensation on the inside, and these weep holes are important for ventilation but also a way and a spot to let the water escape. So here you can see, and these are the spots, the inside where the double pane windows or glazed glass will go. So this is the reason why these holes are there. So Rick is behind me putting the window frame in the car for the paint job, the prime paint job, and then it's ready for install. Behind me here is the door system and the jamb, or I would call the frame. The frame also consists of a bottom piece. That's not always the case here in the Netherlands. So this is like a complete frame around, and then I make the door fit and the glass will be installed on location. And this is all pre-primed, and only the saw cuts need to be primed again, and then it's almost ready for the paint, interior or exterior. So let's get started with it. Here the frame got made with the door inside, and the door got adjusted to the size it needs to be. As you can see, as I will show you, all the joints are glued and the glue fills the joints as well. So in that way the paint will stick over the gaps, and those details will be watertight. So a little gap as this will be filled with paint filler as well, but more importantly the screws keep it together, as does the mortise and tenon here, and that's a great combination. It goes as it's the same here. So this looks a bit rough, but as you can see here, the join here will be nicely finished later on, and the primer will go over and then the paint. So that's it. This is quite nice. Here as well, the little leg and the little mortise and tenon, and here is the little drip edge over the front side. Yeah, so that's nice and fancy.